Beautiful two-story quality built by American Village Builders. Located in popular Portage neighborhood. Move-in ready. Many improvements per owner. New roof 2022. Kitchen has newer painted cabinets and hardware, plus granite counters, and tile backsplash. Open to eating area and family room with gas fireplace. Hardwood floors were refinished and hardwood added to family room. Formal dining/living room or playroom, also office with French door. 4 spacious bedrooms up including primary suite and adjacent bath was remodeled with quartz counters featuring double sinks, soaking tub and tile shower and flooring.Water softener and garage door opener new 2025. Deck with gas line for grill included. Perfect for entertaining. Mature trees and professionally lit.